Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of The Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's good, everybody? I'm back again with another unboxing. I guess it would be an unboxing and setup, even though it's real simple. But guess what I got today? Back in action, best grandpa knife ever. That's right, y'all know whenever I get this best grandpa knife out, it's time to do a unboxing. Bam, let's get it. Amazon Prime dropped this off. I was outside doing the grass, they dropped it off. Hey, watch out. Y'all know how I always cut this stuff up, so let's be real careful this time. Cause this grandpa knife is sharp. So let's be very, let's be very careful. Oh, don't cut it, don't cut it. Don't cut it, James. Okay, there we go, you guys. Got our best grandpa knife ever. Yes, sir. You know what? I should. No, I ain't gonna put a link for this because I'm the only one that need that. But let's see what we got today. Ooh, this, you guys, is pretty simple. So let's break it out. Look what we got today, you guys. We got the fly magnet. That's right. It's made by Victor. Fly trap, no poisons, one bait is included. This thing is awesome, you guys. I actually seen this thing in action. It's pretty much already assembled for you. All you have to do is open this up. Here's the bait inside. Basically, you just put the bait in here, screw this back, and then you hang this up. And you guys, the flies are coming here. They'll go down, and once they get inside, if you can see it, let me see if I can show it to you. You see, it's holes right here in the bottom, but the flies will actually go in here and come out. See, when come out the hole here, they're going in, and they can't get out. I mean, basically, this is just a regular plastic jar. I mean, but this thing works like a charm. Very affordable. Basically, let me go ahead and read through it. Basically, you empty the contents into the trap, add warm water to the fill line. And you got the fill line. Oh man, you got the fill line. I guess where is it? Oh, here we go. You add warm water just to the fill line, not hot water, warm water, and then you swirl the mix. You swirl it to mix it. I guess you use what you use. Oh, I'm gonna use a straw or something, and then that's it. You sit it outside, add a trap. Basically, look, flies prefer warm, bright, calm areas. Eliminate one female fly can reduce population by 150 to 500 flies. Flies are dormant until temperatures reach 65 degrees. Set trap at ground level or hang from trees or stake bait and fill trap. Boom. And then you do that. So let's get it set up. So basically, oh, you know what? Let me get some warm water. Wait a minute, you guys. Let me get the water warm. I'm gonna show you. All right, you guys, I've got some warm water and a straw. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open this up and I'm going to put this in here. Ooh, where are they? So I put the bait inside here. As you can see, there's the bait. There's the fill line. I'm going to fill this up. Ooh, this thing smells kind of crazy. Ugh. Okay, it don't smell good to me, but I guess flies like. See, you fill it up. I'm a little bit above the line, but hey. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stir this up so it dissolves all of the little sediment here. Stir this up, stir this up, stir this up. Ooh, 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 ooh. We stir that up. Ooh, ooh. Okay, and now we just put this on, tighten that down, and then we're gonna put it outside. See, right now, there are no flies in there at all. And then we're gonna hang this baby up. Let's go. Alright, you guys, you see they give you like a tie wrap that you use like regular garbage bag, but I mean they give you like a little tie thing. These are the same kind that would be on like a garbage bag, but I'm gonna use a tie wrap because we get a lot of wind around here, so I'm gonna use a tie wrap. Put tie wrap on it so this baby going nowhere. So I'm gonna put it up like that. I'm just trying to see on my fence. I should put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna hang it right here. Cause I don't know how crazy it's gonna get. So we're gonna do it like that. Yeah, we're gonna do it like that, and then I'm gonna cut that off real quick. And we're gonna see how it goes. So that's all you do, you guys. Put that in a little area and you good. All right, you guys, it's 24 hours later. 24 hours later. Let's see what we got going on. Show you this. Here's the trap. There it is. Can you guys see in there? I'm gonna see it when you guys see it. Look at that. I see something in there. It's coming in there. We had a lot of rain around here lately, but there it is. 24 hours later, you guys. Check it out. Yes, sir. All right, you guys, y'all know summer we're in the last month of the summer. This is August, and it's getting ready to start to be chilly up in the northeast around September. So we got about one more month of good weather. So if you guys got a deck, you want to barbecue last couple of times, you put this out and you'll be good to go. It'll get all the flies away from you so you can eat your food in peace. So you definitely want to get this. This thing is amazing. You know, I definitely want to have a link below. Make sure you hit that link. Get it for a little bit of a discount. And I appreciate it. Hope you guys like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.